morning.
So we've got a long day ahead of us today, almost 14 miles.
Yep.
I think it's over 4,500 feet in ascent, so a lot of climbing today. Slept in a shelter last night. That's the first time in a long time we slept in a shelter.
It's horrible. I hate shelters, y'all.
I hate shelters too.
I didn't sleep very well, but that was to be expected. So hopefully we're not riding that struggle bus much today.
Yeah. But we got some good views coming up from what I'm told. So
yeah, Rocky Top up
Yep.
first, 1.2.
So we'll see y'all on down trail. So we got some views this morning. Got fog down in the valleys. Then we got some bushes. And got these mountains over here. All right, we'll see y'all down the trail. Well, finally made it to the top of Rocky Top. It is stunning up here. Holy mackerel. A little hazy out there. I hope it's coming through. That may be Fontana Dam down there. I don't know. Wow. It's crazy. Probably can't show it even past the dark mountains that you see right there. You can, that ridge line behind them, you can see another ridge line. Just goes on forever. Turning into the sun here, so.
Shucks that. I don't see the tower. I have that peak finder, you know?
And it is rocky up here.
Big Log Mountain.
Yeah?
Oh my God. Big John Dick Mountain. Serious. Oh, no. I said seriously.
All right. We'll see y'all on down trail. There's been a lot of views since the last clip there. Been a lot of climbing though. We're actually in a level spot right now, which is why I can film. But I mean, it's still pretty out here. Just like I say, you really can't see the mountains right now. But yeah, we've definitely done some climbing today. By the time we get to where we're headed, it'll be, how many miles will it be, baby?
13.7.
13.7 miles, which that'd be the most that we've done yet. But it's not only been the climbs, this is coming down off the climbs, right?
Yeah. Oh, the million we've done today.
Yeah, you can't really get a pace because, I mean, just rocks and roots, and it has been an incline like you would not believe, and some of them have been coming up is crazy. Yeah, it's been nuts. But all right, we'll see you on down trail. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it through the trees, but Sure is pretty out there. All right, we'll see you on down trail. Well, nice view of the day. Let me see if I can zoom in here without losing my trekking poles. Starting to sprinkle on us a little bit. I think that's Klingman's Dome right in the center. That's where we're going to be at tomorrow.
The highest peak on the AT.
Highest peak on the AT, highest point on the Appalachian Trail. All right, so we'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, so another day in the books.
Hard day.
Hard day, 13.7 miles.
Not just because it was long, because it was hard.
Yeah, it was hard. A lot of ups and downs were really hard.
Yep. We had like 6 or 8 of them today. It was a lot.
We still got about 2 miles to go to the shelter we're going to be staying at tonight. Well, actually, it's about 1.5 miles now.
Yeah.
But we just got through eating and everything, and we just want to get there, get our stuff put away, and
go to bed.
Do what chores we have left and go to bed. So
we'll see you guys.
We'll see y'all tomorrow.